What's up, online shoppers? If you were looking for an alternative to those metal scraper brushes for barbecues that can leave dangerous metal wires in your food, you might want to check out this awesome wooden scraper that was gifted to me by the brand. What I love about it is the simplicity of the tool, but I also love that it has some convenient extras. This here is the scraper. It's made of pine wood. It's got a really nice smooth finish. It's been sanded really nicely, and it has a built-in bottle opener just in case you want to enjoy a beverage while you're barbecuing. Now, a cool feature of pine wood is that it's really soft. The heat of the barbecue can actually help this mold right to the grill of your barbecue, ensuring a really good scrape and clean when you use this tool. It's also soft enough to not scrape the surface off of your barbecue grates, which is going to help keep your grates in better condition longer. Length and size of this is actually pretty awesome. It keeps your hand far enough away from the flame that you don't feel the uncomfortable heat of the barbecue while you're cleaning it while the grill is on. Now, I love that this is bristle-free. A lot of the tools that you use to clean your barbecue have those metal wires, which can be very dangerous because they are left behind on griddles and they can end up in your food and then in your gut, which is definitely not a healthy situation. This smooth, soft nature of the pine wood makes this a great choice for porcelain griddles and ceramic grates because it is more gentle than a harder material would be. Whether you're looking for something that's gentle on your grill surface that's not going to remove that non-stick coating, or you're looking for a simple design with minimal parts, this is definitely a griddle cleaner that is great for streamlining your regular grill maintenance. Griddle cleaning solution. This one here might be one to consider. It's definitely going to be a family favorite at our house.